Hello, and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. Is your audio crackling, popping, or sounding distorted in Windows 11? This can be incredibly frustrating, especially when watching videos, listening to music, or working in virtual meetings. Audio crackling often results from driver issues, system settings, or power management features that interfere with audio processing. Let's walk through how to fix audio crackling in Windows 11, step by step, with easy-to-follow solutions that anyone can try. First, click the search bar icon at the bottom of the screen and type Control Panel on the search bar. Then click Hardware and Sound, and click Sound Options. After that, click on Recording tab. Scroll down until you find Stereo Mix Realtek Audio. If this feature is active, this is what causes the crackle sound on your laptop to appear. This feature is used to record the internal audio of the laptop. To fix this, you can disable this feature. Right-click, then select Disable. Then select OK. If it's disabled, you can listen to the sound of your laptop again. Usually, if you have done this method, the crackle sound automatically disappears. If you often record internal audio from a laptop, of course, you must use the stereo mix feature, so as not to go back and forth, disable and enable. You can use this trick. The way: go back to the control panel. Then click Hardware and Sound, and click Sound Options. After that, click on Recording tab. Scroll down until you find Stereo Mix Realtek Audio. Right-click on Stereo Mix, then select Enable. After reactivating, so that the crackle sound does not appear, click the speaker icon in the lower right corner of the screen. Then click Select a Sound Output. Then scroll down. In the Mixer Volume section, look for the Realtek Audio Stereo Mix Volume. If you find it, lower the volume to 0. Using this method, the crackling sound on your laptop will disappear. But the drawback of this second method: every time you restart the laptop, the crackle sound will appear again. And of course, you have to repeat the second method that I explained earlier. By following these steps, you should be able to restore smooth and clear sound on your system. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.